In the following two problems, we are asked to find the exact values of the six trigonometric functions of theta if theta is in standard position and p is the point on the terminal side. In our first ordered pair for -3, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to -3, producing the terminal side of my angle theta in quadrant 4. We will notice that we have the relationships that the sine of theta is equal to that y-coordinate over r, and cosine of theta is equal to the x-coordinate over r. We must now first solve for r, given that x is 4 and y is -3. We know that r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared, or r squared is equal to 4 squared plus 3 squared, giving us r squared is 25, or r is equal to 5. Therefore, sine of theta is given by -3, the y-coordinate, over r, which is 5. Cosine is the x-coordinate of 4 over 5. Tangent of theta is given by sine over cosine, or y over x, which is a -3/4. Cotangent of theta is a reciprocal of tangent, which is -4/3. Cosecant of theta is a reciprocal of sine, which is a -5/3. And secant of theta is a reciprocal of cosine, which is a +5/4. We can do the same thing for our second point, given by an x-coordinate of -2 and a y-coordinate of 5, creating the terminal side of our angle in quadrant 2. We will first find r, knowing that r squared is given by x squared plus y squared, or r squared is equal to 4 plus 25, giving us r squared is 29, or r is equal to the square root of 29. Using the same identities over to the left, we now know that the sine of theta, which is y over r, is given by 5 divided by the square root of 29. Cosine of theta is the x-coordinate over r, which is a -2 over the square root of 29. Tangent of theta is sine over cosine, or y over x, which is a -5/2. Cotangent of theta is the reciprocal of tangent, which is a -2/5. Cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sine, which is the square root of 29 over 5. And secant theta is the reciprocal of cosine, which is the square root of 29 divided by a -2.